Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing fine. My name is Anubhuti Vasin. In the last videos of cost pedagogy, we have discussed about observation, questioning, prediction and hypothesis skill. Now we are moving on to the next step of cost pedagogy, that is experimentation. So today we will perform an experiment with the help of which we will be able to understand whether a substance is an acid, a base or a salt. So now moving on to the experiment. So as told in this experiment, we are taking a group of materials or substances that are a lemon juice, a tomato or an orange, and then in group B we are having a toothpaste, a washing detergent and a shampoo. These are in solution form. Also we are having water and salt. Also we are having the indicator, natural indicator. One is turmeric and the next two are the litmus paper, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Now we will perform the experiment. In this experiment we have taken group A substances and group B substances. Group A substances we will test them with a natural indicator. First we will take the turmeric indicator, which is yellow in color. You can see that what I have done, I have put a turmeric paste on this paper, so it has become a turmeric paper. Now we will see what reaction will this lemon solution show with the turmeric paper. So there is no color change with the turmeric paper. When I am putting a drop of lemon on this turmeric paper, there is no color change. Again, I am taking another substance, that is the orange juice, and this in this orange juice also there is no color change. The turmeric paper retains its color, which is yellow itself. Now moving on towards the next one, that are the basic group B. In group B, when I am taking this detergent solution and putting on this turmeric paper, then this turmeric paper is changing its color. It is changing its color from yellow to red. Okay, and then again I am taking this shampoo solution, and when I am inserting this shampoo solution on the turmeric paper, it is also changing its color from yellow to red. Okay, now taking the second indicator, which are blue and red litmus paper. Now when I am taking this blue litmus paper and inserting in this lemon juice, this blue litmus paper is changing its color from blue to red, and then when I am inserting the same litmus paper, the blue litmus paper, in the orange juice, it is also changing its color from blue to red. Okay, and now I am taking this blue litmus paper and inserting this one in the detergent solution. There is no change in the color of the blue litmus paper. And when I am inserting this blue litmus paper in the shampoo solution, there is no color change of the blue litmus paper. Okay, now we will take the red litmus paper. When I am taking this red litmus paper and I am inserting this red litmus paper in the lemon juice solution, there is no color change, it is not changing its color. And when I am inserting this one in the orange juice, then also there is no color change. Okay, now we will take the red litmus paper again, and when I am inserting this red litmus paper in this soap solution or the detergent solution, then this red litmus paper is slightly changing its color from pink or red to blue. Okay, and when I am inserting this one in the shampoo solution also, then also it is slightly changing its color from red to blue. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that there are two types of natural indicators that we have used. The first one, that was a turmeric paper. This turmeric paper has shown no color change in an acidic medium or in the type A substances or group A substances, while it has changed its color from yellow to red in group B substances. Okay, then we have used the two litmus paper, and this litmus paper are also natural indicator obtained from lichens. And when I am inserting this litmus paper, this pink litmus paper in the type A group A substances or group A materials, there is no change of color, they retain their color. But when I am taking this pink litmus paper or red litmus paper and inserting in the group B solutions or group B substances, then the pink color is changing into blue. Why? when I am taking the blue litmus paper and reacting it with the group A substances, then they are changing their color from blue to red. The litmus paper is changing its color from blue to red. While in case of the group B substances, the litmus paper, the blue litmus paper is not showing any color change. So thus we can conclude that the natural indicators, the litmus papers, basically the blue litmus paper turn red when we are reacting it, when we are testing it with group A substances, and there is no color change in the basic medium or group B substances, while the red litmus paper changes its color from pink or red to blue when we are reacting it with group B substances, and there is no change in the color of blue litmus paper when we are reacting it with the group A substances. And the turmeric paper, it shows its color, it has been changing its color. We have seen that how it has changed its color from group A to group B substances. So this is how we conclude that the group A are acidic mediums or acidic substances and group B are basic substances. Hope you all understand this. Thank you.